Hey, it's Joy and welcome to the firm. I wanted to discuss business banking. Okay, it's very important to have nice, clean bank statements, and I recommend having 3 to 4 different business bank accounts, and this is why. Account number 1 is going to be your most important account. That's going to be your income account. So whenever you get cash, all of your cash should be going into this account because at the end of the month, you want to have a large amount showing as what was deposited. This income bank statement is going to be kind of like your resume when you're going to apply for a loan or get financing. If you have any kind of credit card processing, that's going to be deposited into this account. So in bank account number 1 is just going to be having income coming in. It's not going to have, Chick-fil-A, nails, Wendy's, nothing that's tacky. It's just going to have your income coming in and a couple of wires going out to your other accounts, but it's going to look nice and clean. Account number 2 is going to be your bill or your expense account. This account is where you'll have your checks to write your bills. If you pay your bills via credit card, you'll have a credit card linked to this account. You will wire your money from the income account to the expense account. So there's it can be, traced, and you will write only bills out of this account. So your income account looks clean. You transfer the money to your income account to your bill account and write all of your bills out in account number 2. Account number 3 is just going to be for your payroll and payroll taxes. So you will wire money from your income account number 1, into account number 3. So ADP, ExecuPay, whoever you're using to do your payroll, will then withdraw money from that account to pay your payroll tax to the IRS. And then they will also withdraw that money for your employees' direct deposits or for when your employees cash their payroll check. So account number 3 is just for. And last but not least, account number 4 is going to be where you're going to save your money. So in any industry, you're going to have, harvest season time where, business is booming. And you're also going to have some parts of the year when it's a little slow. So whenever it's booming, we don't want to spend all that cash. We want to put some cash aside. So when we have our skim months, we can pull from when we was, rolling in the dough. So on your heavy cash flow months, you want to kind of deposit some money in our savings account to save for a rainy day. Okay, so I know you're like, why I gotta have all these accounts? Why I gotta have all these statements? It's just too much. Listen here. In running a business, you want everything to be nice, clean, and organized. Okay, so our income statement just has our income. Your CPA can pull the income off it real quick. When you go into a bank or try to get a loan, that's the statement that you're going to take and to look nice and clean. Your expense statement is going to have all your bills, okay? So your CPA is going to love you. He's not going through a 10-page bank statement. He's going through just the bank statement that just has all your bills, making his job nice and easy and less billable hours, okay? Account number 3 or bank statement number 3 is just payroll. So you're making everything organized for yourself. You look good for the bank, and you're making your CPA's job nice and easy. So his bill at the end of tax season is not going to kill you, okay? You can thank me later.